In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Adobe Express. Whether you're tidying up an old design or just want to remove a page you no longer need, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure it's as straightforward as possible. To start, let's have your design open in the Adobe Express editor. If you're not sure how to get there, simply log into Adobe Express and locate your project. Click on it to open in the Express editor, where you'll be able to make all necessary adjustments. Once your design is open, you'll notice a page management bar. This bar might appear at the bottom of your screen or along the side, depending on how your layout is set. This bar is essential for navigating through all your pages and slides in a project, so take a moment to get familiar with its layout if you haven't already. Now, find the specific page that you intend to delete. Hover your cursor over the thumbnail of the page that you wish to get rid of. As you do, you'll notice more options appear. You're going to want to look for a small icon that features 3 dots. This is often referred to as the Page Actions menu, and it's your gateway to managing page-specific features within your design. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. By doing this, you're accessing a menu with a variety of options pertinent to that particular page. Among these options, there is one labeled as Delete Page. Click on Delete Page to initiate the removal process. After you've chosen to delete the page, Adobe Express may prompt you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is crucial to prevent any accidental deletions. Make sure to review the prompt carefully. If you're certain that you've selected the correct page and you wish to proceed, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the page will be permanently removed from your design. You'll notice that it disappears from the page management bar, effectively tidying up the space and leaving you with the content that's most relevant to your project. And that's all there is to it. You now have the tools to manage the pages within your Adobe Express projects effectively, ensuring that your designs are clean and organized. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. If you have further questions or need additional help, feel free to check out other resources or tutorials. Enjoy your creative journey with Adobe Express.